Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the science and stories behind the products that promise to make us feel more beautiful every day. Ever wonder if your eye cream can actually make a noticeable difference in dark circles and puffiness? Well, today, we're talking about RoC's Derm Correxion Retinol Eye Repair Treatment, a clinically proven formula designed to brighten, smooth, and revitalize your under eye area. Let's see if this eye treatment really delivers on its promises. Now, this isn't just another eye cream. RoC Derm Correxion isn't only tackling puffiness, but it's addressing the four main types of under-eye discoloration: gray, brown, red, and blue-purple. The formula features a powerhouse blend of ingredients including patented retinol, niacinamide, resveratrol, and Proxygen, each targeting a specific under-eye concern. Let's break it down. Retinol works to target gray tones, niacinamide works on brown, resveratrol combats red tones, and Proxygen addresses blue and purple tones. That's a lot of action packed into one little tube. What's really unique about this product is the cooling precision tip, designed to massage the formula into your skin. This helps reduce the signs of fatigue while delivering the ingredients right where they're needed most. If you're someone who wakes up with puffy eyes, or a few more wrinkles than you'd like to admit, this could be your new go-to. So I tested this eye treatment for several weeks, and I want to share my experience. First off, the application is super simple. You just twist the tube, use the cooling tip to massage the cream around the eye area, and voila! It's actually a pretty relaxing step in your routine. The texture of the cream is lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbed quickly. I didn't notice any stinging or irritation, which is important, especially around such a delicate area. As far as results go, I did notice some improvements in the first few days. The puffiness around my eyes started to reduce, and I felt like my under eye area looked brighter overall. It was especially noticeable when I first woke up, a big plus if you're someone who struggles with the dreaded morning puff. After about a week, I saw even more noticeable changes. The fine lines seemed to smooth out a bit, and those pesky dark circles that often make me look tired despite a full night's sleep appeared lighter. Of course, we're talking about a gradual improvement, not an overnight miracle, but that's to be expected from a treatment that works with ingredients like retinol. Now, I want to highlight a few pros and cons. On the plus side, the ingredients are top tier for an anti-aging eye cream. Retinol is well known for its ability to smooth skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines, while niacinamide and resveratrol are fantastic for brightening and balancing out skin tone. The cooling massage tip? It's a clever touch that makes the application process feel spa-like, and it also ensures the product gets absorbed without any extra tugging on the skin. On the downside, if you're sensitive to retinol or have never used it before, you might experience some dryness or irritation. The product claims to be non-drying, but because retinol is a potent active ingredient, some people might still have to introduce it slowly into their routine. Additionally, the packaging isn't the most luxurious, but considering the affordable price point, it's not a deal breaker. Let's talk about value for money. This eye treatment is priced reasonably for the performance it delivers. You're getting a formula backed by clinical studies, and it's dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. The results are consistent, and while you may not see a dramatic transformation overnight, if you use it consistently, you will likely see noticeable improvements. It's definitely a solid investment for anyone dealing with puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines around the eyes. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are plenty of eye creams out there with similar ingredients, like the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, which features both niacinamide and hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, though it doesn't contain retinol. It's a good option for those who want something gentler on the skin. But if you're looking for the ultimate combination of anti-aging power and multi-targeted treatment for the under-eye area, RoC Derm Correxion stands out. The patented retinol technology and the cooling tip set it apart from others on the market. In conclusion, RoC Derm Correxion Retinol Eye Repair Treatment is a standout for anyone seeking an effective, dermatologist-recommended solution for puffiness, wrinkles, and dark circles. It has proven ingredients, innovative application, and delivers gradual, visible results. However, If you're sensitive to retinol, you may need to ease into using it. But otherwise, it's a solid choice for improving the under-eye area over time. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us bring you the most in-depth and unbiased reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know if it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.